What if I told you that the path to early retirement isn't about working 80-hour weeks, chasing the next stock market trend, or living on instant noodles for the next 20 years? What if the real secrets are things you'll never see in financial news headlines because they're too unglamorous, too counterintuitive, or simply too powerful to be shared publicly? Here's a shocking fact. According to a global retirement study, nearly 64% of people who aim to retire early never make it, not because they didn't save enough, but because they followed the wrong playbook. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal 10 rare, game-changing secrets to early retirement that the financial media will never tell you. Secrets that ordinary people have quietly used to retire. Stay with me till the end, because the last secret is the one most early retirees swear was their ultimate shortcut, but almost no one talks about it. If success is your goal and you're ready to level up, make sure you subscribe. Every video is crafted to move you closer to the life you deserve. All right, let's get started. Secret number 1. Retirement isn't an age, it's a number. Here's the first mindset shift. Retirement has nothing to do with age. It has everything to do with your personal freedom number. Most people ask, at what age can I retire? But the real question is, at what net worth and passive income level can I retire without worrying about money ever again? Here's where most people get trapped. They wait for 65 because that's the official retirement age. But who made that rule? Governments and corporations in the 20th century when life expectancy was shorter and pensions were stronger. That model is outdated today. Instead, calculate your freedom number. For example, if your lifestyle costs $40,000 a year and your investments generate a conservative 5% return, you'd need about $800,000 invested to live without working another day. Now, here's a question. Would you rather grind until 65 with no clarity, or know your exact number by 35 and build towards it? Once you know your number, every dollar becomes a soldier fighting for your freedom. But here's the twist. This is just the foundation. Because once you know your number, you'll discover that the real game isn't just about saving. It's about avoiding the traps that silently drain decades of your working life. And that brings me to the next secret. Secret number 2. The quiet killer of early retirement, lifestyle creep. Imagine this. You land a big promotion, your salary jumps by $20,000, and suddenly your car gets an upgrade, your apartment gets bigger, and your vacations get fancier. Sounds familiar? That's lifestyle creep, and it's the number one invisible enemy of early retirement. Financial news will tell you where to invest your money, but they rarely warn you how your mindset sabotages those very investments. Studies show that 78% of high-income earners in the live paycheck to paycheck, not because they don't earn enough, but because lifestyle creep keeps swallowing the surplus. Instead of upgrading everything, what if you froze your lifestyle for 5 years while your income grew? That gap could easily create an investment portfolio of $200,000, $300,000 in just a few years. Ask yourself, if you doubled your income tomorrow, how much of it would actually go into wealth-building assets like dividend stocks, REITs, or index funds, versus Instagram-worthy vacations? Here's the transformation. By controlling lifestyle creep, you make your freedom number arrive a decade earlier than it would have. But that's only half the story, because the next secret will show you how to make your money work faster than you ever thought possible. Secret 3. The rule of hidden multipliers. You've probably heard of compound interest, but here's the hidden truth. Compound interest alone won't get you early retirement. The real wealth builders use what I call hidden multipliers. Here's a jaw-dropping fact. If you max out a $401K contribution of $23,000 annually and your employer matches 50%, you're instantly at $34,500. Over 20 years at 8% growth, that's over $1.50 million, without any lifestyle sacrifices. But here's the kicker. Financial news focuses on stock picks and market timing because it sells headlines. The quiet truth is, multipliers like tax efficiency and drips create more millionaires than hot stocks ever did. So here's the question. Are you playing the loud, stressful game of speculation or the quiet, hidden game of multipliers? Secret number 4. Your dream house. Could delay your freedom by 15 years. This one will sting. Financial news and even society glorify home ownership as the ultimate achievement. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Your primary home is often a liability, not an asset. Here's why. Between mortgage interest, property taxes, insurance, and maintenance, the average person homeowner spends $1,500, $2,000 per month extra compared to renting modestly. Over 20 years, that's easily $400,000, $500,000 that could have gone into dividend stocks or index funds compounding at 8%. And here's the psychological trap. People justify buying a bigger home because it's an investment. But unless you're renting out part of it or using it as an income-generating property, it's not an investment, it's consumption. The wealthy who retire early often rent longer, buy modestly, or house hack by renting rooms. They keep housing as a tool, not a trophy. And if this one shocked you, wait until you hear the next secret, because it's about why your career choice may matter less than you think, and yet it holds the key to early retirement. Number 5. Career leverage beats. Career choice. We're told to choose the right career to get rich. But early retirees know it's not about choosing the perfect career. It's about creating leverage within whatever career you're in. A teacher earning $60,000 a year can retire earlier than an engineer earning $120,000 if they use leverage like side hustles, income-sharing apps, or monetizing skills online. 44% of professionals now have some form of side income. And here's the untold truth. Many early retirees use these small streams, like writing ebooks, creating online courses, or even dividend-yielding side businesses, to accelerate their path by 7-10 years. And speaking of engines, the next secret is about building one that never runs out of fuel, your identity shift. Number 6. Identity, not income, dictates retirement speed. Most people sabotage early retirement because deep down, they don't see themselves as investors. They see themselves as employees, consumers, or spenders. But here's the psychological insight. Your identity dictates your behavior far more than your goals. If you start seeing yourself as an investor first, you automatically begin making investor-like choices. You buy assets, not liabilities. You look at every dollar as capital, not consumption. James Clear in Atomic Habits wrote, "Every action you take is a vote for the type of person you wish to become." Early retirees stacked enough votes for investor until they became one. So let me ask, if every purchase you made today was a vote, would your vote say wealth builder or wealth consumer? And once your identity shifts, something powerful happens. You begin designing not just your money, but your lifestyle itself. And that leads us to the next secret. Number 7. Design your retirement lifestyle before you reach it. This is where most people fail. They save blindly, dreaming of retirement, but never design what retirement will actually look like. And here's the paradox. People who don't design their lifestyle end up spending more, not less, in retirement because they're bored and restless. Here's an uncommon insight. The happiest early retirees often spend less than they did while working, not more. Why? Because they've designed a lifestyle around meaningful, low-cost activities like volunteering, traveling off-season, or passion projects. 33% of retirees who didn't pre-plan their lifestyle felt financially insecure, even if they had enough money. So here's the question. What will you actually do with your time if you stopped working tomorrow? If your answer is unclear, your retirement plan is incomplete. And once you design the lifestyle, the next step is to protect it. Which brings us to the 8th secret. Secret number 8. Insurance is freedom's shield, not a burden. Here's something rarely discussed in financial media. Early retirement plans collapse not because of stock market crashes, but because of unexpected health costs, accidents, or emergencies. The average medical bankruptcy happens with bills of $50,000, $100,000. Without proper health, life, or disability insurance, one accident can destroy decades of savings. Smart early retirees see insurance not as an expense, but as a shield for their freedom. They negotiate high-deductible plans, use HSAs for tax benefits, and ensure that their passive income streams remain untouched during crises. Think about it. If you're planning to retire at 45, how will you cover healthcare until Medicare at 65? If you don't answer that question today, you might be forced back to work tomorrow. And here's the twist. Even with insurance, your biggest risk isn't external, it's internal. Which brings me to the 9th secret. Secret number 9. Boredom is the silent retirement killer. Here's something financial news never tells you. Money can buy freedom, but it cannot buy meaning. And countless early retirees go back to work, not because they need the money, but because they were bored. Psychologists call it the retirement paradox. Without structure, many people lose their sense of purpose, leading to overspending, depression, or poor health. The uncommon truth: the most fulfilled retirees reinvent themselves. They build passion projects, mentorship roles, or small income-generating hobbies that keep them sharp and engaged. Here's a reflection. If tomorrow you woke up free forever, what would make you jump out of bed with excitement? If you don't know, then retirement might feel more like a prison than a paradise. And now, we've reached the final secret, the one almost every early retiree swears by, but financial news avoids because it challenges the entire consumer-driven system. Secret number 10, the real shortcut: learn to want less. Financial news sells dreams of yachts, luxury condos, and endless shopping. But the people who actually retire early often pursue radical simplicity. They discover that happiness doesn't scale with spending beyond a point. Studies show that after about $75,000, $80,000 a year in income, extra money adds very little to day-to-day happiness. Beyond that, it's about meaning, relationships, and freedom. So the real shortcut isn't earning more, it's wanting less while enjoying more. Think about it. If your lifestyle satisfaction peaks at $40,000 a year, you could retire with less than $1 million invested. But if you chase the $200,000 lifestyle, you'll need 5 times more and maybe never retire at all. Early retirement isn't about escaping work. It's about escaping the illusion that more stuff equals more life. So here's my question. How many years of your life are you willing to trade for stuff you don't even remember buying? I'm grateful for the chance to share these insights with you. If this video made a difference, like it, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more powerful tips. Now, if you want to know about how rich people spend differently, watch this video. I'll see you there.